Good morning students. Today your next topic is chemical equation. What is chemical equation? In this lesson we study about the chemical equation and how to make chemical equation more informative, and other topic is what are the significance of chemical equation. Let us study about these topics. Next topic is chemical equation. What is chemical equation? A chemical equation is a representation of chemical change in terms of symbols and formula of reactant and products. Chemical equation is a representation of chemical change in terms of symbol and formula of reactant and products. Chemical equation का मतलब होता है कि जब हम किसी केमिकल रिएक्शन को सिंबलाइज कर देते हैं, उसके रिएक्टेंट और प्रोडक्ट को सिंबल और फार्मूले के रूप में लिख देते हैं, तो उसी को हम केमिकल इक्वेशन कहते हैं. तो केमिकल इक्वेशन मीन्स ए केमिकल इक्वेशन इज ए रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ केमिकल चेंज इन टर्म्स ऑफ सिंबल एंड फार्मूला ऑफ रिएक्टेंट एंड प्रोडक्ट्स. लेट अस टेक एन एग्जांपल. Magnesium react to oxygen. Magnesium react to oxygen to form magnesium oxide. These are called the chemical equation. This chemical reaction is known as the chemical equation because the representation of chemical reaction is in symbolic form and formula. Now let us see another example. Carbon react to oxygen to form carbon dioxide. Carbon, the symbol of carbon is C, symbol of oxygen is O2, that is CO2. These are called the chemical equations. Now balance this equation. 2mg plus O2, this will be equal to 2mgu. These are called the chemical equation. A word equation shows change of reactant to products through an arrow placed between them. The arrow placed between the product and reactant. The left side of this arrow is called the product. The left side of this arrow is called the reactant. Reactant means who participate. In chemical equation, the substance which react are written on the left. These are called the reactant. This is written left side of this arrow, and after reacting something is made is written right side of the arrow. In this equation, carbon and oxygen is called the reactant, and right of this arrow which something is made, that is carbon dioxide, this is called the product. This arrow, the head of this arrow indicates the direction of the reaction. The head, this is the head of this arrow. This indicates the direction of the reaction. This reaction belong to forward reaction. This reaction happen in the direction of forward. There are two type of reaction: forward reaction and reversible reaction. Reversible reaction means such reaction which take place in both sides. The arrow of reversible reaction is this. This symbol is known as the reversible reaction. this reaction is taken place in both directions. In this way we can say that the head of the arrow indicate the direction of the reaction. If symbol and formula of various reactants and products are used, the above word equation can be represented as C plus O2. CO2. This equation is balanced because right side and left side, both sides number of reactant and products are equal. Here left side 1 carbon, right side also 1, left side 2 molecules of oxygen and right side also 2 molecules of oxygen. But when number of atoms of reactant and products are not equal, then this equation is known as the skeletal equation. Next word come skeletal. Skeletal equation. There are two type of equation, chemical equation, skeletal equation. For example, magnesium react to oxygen to form magnesium oxide. This chemical equation is called the skeletal equation because the left side and right side, the number of atoms of left side and right side are not equal. Here 1 magnesium, right side also 1, but in left side there are 2 molecules of oxygen and right side only 1. This is called the skeletal equation. Second type of chemical equation, balanced equation. Balanced equation. Example is given: carbon react to oxygen to make carbon dioxide. This is called the balanced equation because both sides, number of atoms of both sides are equal. Here is one carbon, right side also 1, left side 2 molecule of oxygen, right side also 2 molecule of oxygen, and in this reaction here is 2 number of atoms of magnesium, right side also 2 number of molecules of magnesium, 2 molecules of oxygen left side and 2 molecules of oxygen is also right sides. तो इस तरह से दो तरह का इक्वेशन होता है. एक को स्केलेटल बोलते हैं जिसको हिंदी में ढांचागत इक्वेशन बोलते हैं. तो ये केवल इंफॉर्मेशन देता है रिएक्टेंट और प्रोडक्ट की, और रिएक्शन की पूरी इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं दे पाता है, तो उसको हम स्केलेटल इक्वेशन कहते हैं. स्केलेटल इक्वेशन का मतलब होता है कि द नंबर ऑफ एटम्स ऑफ ईच एलिमेंट्स ऑन बोथ साइड्स आर not equal. When number of atoms of each elements on both sides are not equal, then such equation is known as the skeletal equation. So this is called the skeletal equation because number of atoms of each elements on both sides are not equal. That's all.